And welcome to PM Weather, ladies and gentlemen. I'm student meteorologist Alex Herbst here with your forecast for the Granite State. And looking outside at our Plymouth State University webcam, we saw mostly cloudy skies throughout the day today with a couple of passing showers here on the campus. But things have gotten a lot better here into the evening hours as some of those clouds are starting to finally break up. And maybe we're going to start to finally see those showers exit the picture after a rather gray and gloomy past week. Our temperatures today here in Plymouth hit 52 degrees with a low of 43 earlier this morning. Not too far off from our normals of 60 and 33 for this time of year, but not even close to that 79 we saw back in 1957. Our sunset tonight will be around 7:44 p.m., sunrise 5:45 a.m. tomorrow morning, and our current conditions here in Plymouth as of 5 p.m. do show a temperature of 50 degrees with humidity at around 75% and winds out of the west-northwest at 9 miles an hour. We are starting to finally see those winds shift from the north to the northwest here in Plymouth and all around central New Hampshire as conditions are looking a lot better for tomorrow. Temperatures show 52 degrees in Laconia, 52 also in Rochester, and 53 on the coast in Portsmouth. We see 56 in Boston, 57 Providence, 60 down in Bridgeport. So temperatures are warming up as you head further south. And now across the United States, we see a little bit of a cooler patch of temperatures here across the panhandle of Texas and into parts of New Mexico and Colorado. But we also see lots of warm air across the Midwestern states. So 64 in Kansas City, 67 in St. Louis, 70 degrees also in Omaha, Nebraska. Our satellite and radar here in Plymouth does show we see some showers that are continuing to pull through much of New Hampshire, Maine, and Vermont. So showers continuing to fall down in Manchester all the way up into, say, Laconia and Berlin to our north. And we see those showers are continuing to fall throughout much of New England. Also, we see it here in eastern Massachusetts. So areas like Lowell back down into Cape Cod and also the city of Boston are continuing to see some showers here for the rest of the night, as that's the backside of a low pressure system that has been impacting the area for what seems like the past week, really. We also see some showers here across parts of western Pennsylvania that continue to impact them. But the heaviest rain right now here on the map is definitely to the south. We see this large area of heavy rain that continues to fall from Amarillo, Texas, back into Tulsa and Oklahoma City. We also see some very heavy showers and thunderstorms that are across the panhandle of Florida, parts of southern Alabama and Mississippi that brought some severe weather to New Orleans, Louisiana earlier this morning. So that rain that is in the south is not going to be moving very fast as we look at our surface map and we see the next 24 hours where that rain is really not moving all that far. That low pressure is just barely moving across the south right there. But more importantly for us here in New Hampshire is that high pressure that we're now seeing over parts of New England. So those showers are going to be out of the picture finally, and we'll be able to actually have maybe a 60-degree day, which we haven't seen now in probably about a good week or two. We also see a few showers are going to fall across parts of the Great Lakes region, so up near Minneapolis, up into maybe Marquette, Michigan for tomorrow. So those showers will be hanging around there over the next 24 hours, but those will be exiting the picture as they pull to the north by Wednesday. For us here in New Hampshire, continues to look like mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies on the day on Wednesday, but also we see that rain to the south that is going to continue to impact the southeastern states. Not really going to have to be a worry for us here in the near future. Our model forecast shows, well, by tomorrow morning, we're looking at skies are going to start to clear out. We're going to see mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. So just breathe in that beautiful air that we're going to see outside here in the White Mountain region. And we're going to see that continuing to hold true for Wednesday as well. Maybe a couple of clouds rather, that are going to pass through our area then, but mostly clear skies. Definitely get outside and enjoy it as it's going to feel like spring once again here in New Hampshire. Our temperatures overnight drop down to the mid-30s, which is really not all that cold for us here in New Hampshire, but we also see it rise back up to around 60 tomorrow. We also see maybe a 61-degree mark in Manchester, 62 back in Portsmouth possibly tomorrow. So definitely enjoy the warm weather while it's coming. It could even get warmer by next week. So definitely stay tuned to PM weather for that. Our temperatures tonight will drop down to around 37 degrees. So we'll look at a slight chance of a rain shower as those showers exit to the north. Winds will be out of the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. For tomorrow, we're going to be looking at mostly cloudy skies with a high of 56 degrees. So north winds at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Definitely not the worst day that we've had in the past week. And for tomorrow night, we'll be looking at 39 degrees, partly cloudy skies, winds out of the northwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Things are definitely looking up for this week as we look at our extended forecast. Temperatures not getting out of the mid-50s to near 60 degrees, which we're really not going to complain about for this time of year. Maybe another chance of showers on Friday, but that looks like it for the precip this week. 4 p.m. weather, I'm student meteorologist Alex Herbst. Have a great night, folks.